I'm working on a 2007 Audi A3. Just making a quick video showing you guys how it's a good idea to have a shop look at your car before you start ordering parts that you think you should be putting on it. Sometimes this is a pretty common thing. A customer supplied a nice downpipe for his A3. It's a 2-liter. Common job. We put these on pretty often. It's great. It's a real nice part, but the car needs a lot of significant repairs that should have took priority over that. The radiator core support is damaged. Core support's broken right off in the front, so the radiator, the condenser, the intercooler, everything is just pretty much hanging on by the electrical switch for the fans. That's pretty much the tether right now. These core supports are pretty big. A pretty big job to replace. You have to pull everything off the front of the car, obviously, and a lot of things have to be bolted to it, and it's a job. It's pretty expensive. And you can see this radiator's damaged because that screw is on it, and there's a lot of things that should be happening. It's leaking oil everywhere. It's probably overdue for maintenance. Oil filter housing is leaking everywhere. This car needs a lot of repairs, so his money would have been best spent, bringing it here, having us look over the car, coming up with a list of stuff to do, and then, us prioritizing it as most important, and then lower and lower until we get to things like that. But this car needs a lot of work. So yeah, before you order fun stuff, maybe just have the car looked at once over to see if it's even worth doing this stuff to, or if you should be putting your money somewhere else. So that's all. Thanks.